Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO for a boutique firm called CourseCREEK. We specialize in anything and everything regarding e-learning and the entire tech stack to build courses. In particular, we're masters at learning management systems. And this composition is titled, What kind of support and training do I need for my LMS? Well, that depends on how big your LMS is and the needs for each project. But generally speaking, you're going to need a professional organization that you can rely on that will enable you to get the things fixed and updated inside your learning management system without you taking your eyes off of what you do best in your business. All right, so that's one thing that I would recommend. The other thing that I can simply say is you're probably going to need about maybe 2 to 3 hours a week of support to keep things up and running and keep them updated. All right, training is available via Loom videos if you'd like some training. Thank you very much and look forward to hearing from you.